Hello and good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Josephine Boley, public health consultant, educator. I am here today to speak to you really quick once again about vaccines. This time around, I want to inform you about the killed version of the vaccine, the weakened, and also the viral vector vaccines, okay? Because we need to be educated on the different versions of vaccine and how they can affect us, okay? So let's talk about first the killed. The killed version of vaccine uses number one, the active version of the virus that causes a disease. Okay, so it is dead, it is inactive. Okay, an example of some of those vaccines that we have taken that have the killed version of the virus are hepatitis A, the flu shot, polio, and rabies. So if you have had any of those vaccines, you have had the active version of the virus. Okay, the second one is the weakened or attenuated, okay, version of the virus. Usually, so that is a weakened form of the virus that causes a disease. Okay, one of the positives of that version is that it is strong and it provides a long-lasting immunity. Okay, examples of some of those vaccines. Most of you may have taken the MMR, measles, mumps, and rubella, the tuberculosis vaccine, smallpox, chickenpox, yellow fever. Okay. So there's also a viral vector vaccines, which has to do a lot with the mRNA, okay, which we're seeing right now in the COVID-19 vaccine that is being released. The mRNA stands for messenger ribonucleic acid. Okay, so what this does is that it teaches our cells how to make protein or even just a piece of protein that triggers an immune response inside of the person. Okay, so that is the current vaccine that is being offered, and it's called the viral vector vaccine. So it uses the genetic code. Okay, so it doesn't use it. It does not use it the life or anything like that, okay? It uses a genetic code from the protein of the virus and attach it to another, okay? It attaches it to another less virulent virus, okay? So that is what this is about. And so basically it prompts the immune system to recognize this virus. And once the mRNA take that message to the protein, when the actual virus come into the body, the protein will be able to fight against this virus. So that is what science is doing pretty much. Okay, they're trying to get that genetic code inside of the person, that written code, so that it can attach itself to that person's immune system, so that the immune system will be able to fight against the actual virus when it do come into that person's body. Some of the vaccines that are available that some people have already received these vaccines is hepatitis B, cervical cancer, malaria, now COVID-19. Okay, usually these vaccines require a booster shot. Okay, a booster shot. So that's why the viral vector vaccines, we'll see people have to do them in doses. Okay, so basically that is what is going on. So they're priming your immune system with that messenger RNA, okay, that has been put into, it's a genetic code that has been put into your body from the protein of the virus, the protein of the coronavirus. Okay, it's called a spike. It's from the spike protein of the virus. It is taken and basically it is genetically coded, okay, and then given to the person so that their body can, the messenger mRNA in your body can read that code, and then from that your body will be able to fight against the virus. So thank you for watching this session of education about vaccines. And once again, this is Josephine, public health consultant, program coordinator, and educator for public health programs. See you next time.